Hello my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. We are back for day 2 of Halloween week. I hope you enjoyed day 1 and we're just gonna get into it today. I'm gonna get my costume thingy off and we're gonna get into my working clothes and we're gonna do something with some candy corn. So I'm excited and I'll see you guys in a minute. Lost the button again. I'll see you in a minute, guys. Hello, I am back. I have my resin mixed up. I may have to stop and mix some more because this is what's left from the previous video. And this one we are doing some candy corn. I've never actually put in candy in resin. So we're gonna play with that. And you never know, we might put some spiders in with it. So I figured I bought this at the dollar store, big old bag of candy corn. So I'm gonna do a black base, throw those on, and then do a clear coat on top. So I can do the clear coat for both. So with that, I am mixing up. I have 2 ounces here, so I'm hoping I have enough. I'm mixing up, oh, let me see here. I have my Black Diamond Pigments. This one is Black Diamond. Ironic, the same name. I will put, let me just do it here. I will put a scoop of that in there. I don't know what, there's something in there. What is that? A hair. That's weird. And I will see how much. Oh yeah, that's good. Oops, spraying all over. Now these molds, I have cut them all apart. These ones are the ones that, my brain's totally not with it today. They came in a set of 6. They've been linked in, everyone uses them. These ones are pretty standard, everyone likes them. I will link them. They are in my Amazon shop, but I've been finding it easier to just link these into the description box as opposed to throwing it into my, I'm gonna, because it's Sherry, I'm gonna put a little bit of this glitter in there. If I can find my spoon. Oh, I don't know. I don't like putting glitter in that, I don't have any spoons. We'll just pour a little. This is Martha Stewart confetti glitter. I'm just going to pour enough. You might not see it. You might. There we go. I'll show you what it is. This is Martha Stewart confetti glitter silver. No longer being made. All right. Let's just give it a little stir. And I'm going to pour it evenly into the bottom of these 4 containers. Hopefully it works. All right. Let's do a half. I don't want thick coats. And that way there'll be enough. Woo! For each one. Oh yes, you will see the glitter. Awesome. And then let's scrape what we can into this. There we go. I'm impressed I didn't ruin the last time I tried to do this. Mix up more and then do another video. It didn't work out so well. Let's scrape some in here. All right. Whoop. Everywhere. Got to get all of that lovely goodness out. Excuse me. And I'm going to do the same thing I did the other coaster. To me, this is just as easy to, what is that? Just swish it around. Oh my. My cat's down here doing his pterodactyl voice again. He is hilarious. Now the only thing with this one, because it's colored, it should all fall back down on itself. Let me just, yeah, perfect. This one's good. The ones where I didn't get as much, just swirl it around. Just want to take it to the edge on this side. This guy. Hilarious. I don't know if you can hear him. All right, I'm just going to burst the bubbles with this little guy. Perfect. So yes, you can see a little bit of glitter. And then I'm just taking one glove off. And actually, I think that's what we're going to do. Oh, maybe I'll wait because I don't want it to sink. Oh, well, we're going. And then I'll come back with a clear coat on top. Whoop. Trying to get, because there's some of them are broken, so I was trying to get the scooper to pick up the good ones. Woo! That one broke. That's a broken one. Okay, let me get this out because I do not want that one in there. All right, let me just spread these out and then I can pick them up. There we go. Oops. I love Halloween. I'm a very big horror movie fan. Like, I like the stupid ones like Halloween and Friday the 13th, and yeah, my kids are all there. We'll place a couple more. I don't want it to be overly crowded either. There. Maybe one more in this one. Put another one there. There, I think that's it. And then I'll put a clear coat on top. Some people mix it with just clear and put it in. Like I said, I'm an odd ducky. I like to do things a little different. So with that, my friends, we are going to let this set. Now, because I'm doing many videos, please ignore me if I've already said this. Resin of choice is Krystal Resin. And when you do use your resin, please use your ventilator, use your gloves, use your PPE, because we want you to be safe, my friends. So with that, I'm going to let this cure, and we'll come back with a clear coat on top. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello, we are back. These are cured up. I think they look cute. So I've got some resin. I'm not sure if I got enough here, but I'm going to use my 1 ounce cup, and we're going to get right in there. All right, I'm thinking I have to put some more in. Okay, I'm going to put you on pause, guys, and I'm going to mix up more resin, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I've mixed up some more resin, and we're going to get right into this. So there's 1. 2. All right, just going to put enough on there just to cover them. Oh, tell me I don't have enough again. Oh, goodness. That is perfect, just enough. Awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe off my hands. I'm gonna get my little torch out and do a little quick. All the bubbles. All right, perfect. I think they're gonna be cute. Okay, I'm gonna squirt them with my 99% alcohol. It helps burst all of the bubbles. And look at that. Don't they look kind of cute? Very cute. There we go, friends. So I'm gonna let these cure up, and I will see you guys in the morning. I see a bubble there. That's all right. There you go, guys. I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Bye. Hello, we are back for day 2 of Spectacular. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. Let me pull these out. I am loving them. Actually, you know what? I was debating whether I put them in too early, but that there is freaking amazing. It has them on the back. Oh, that is cute, actually. I wasn't sure. And I'm going to test out. This is from the other day, but I think these ones are too thick. Yeah, they're too thick. They won't go in my new coaster mold because I made them too thick to cover the candy. Oh my goodness, that is freaking amazing. I love both sides. Now, I did get a, oh no, that's not a bubble. That's cute. So you can see the glare on that side. Oh my goodness. I love how that's like ghostly. Awesome. It's kind of neat when a plan comes together, and it's kind of scary all at the same time. That something from my brain actually comes out and works. So with that, my beautiful, amazing people, I hope you enjoyed day 2 of Halloween week. And with that, I'm going to go through my long spiel. My description box, I have the links to my Amazon shops, my Facebook page. I have the links to Krystal Resin, which is my resin of choice. I also have the links to my 2 amazing Rez distributors. My Canadian one is the wonderful, the amazing Michelle from Artworks Resin Canada. I have a discount code for her, which is Sherry Moulton 10, capital S, capital M. And go check out her shop. She's got some amazing stuff. And the amazing, wonderful Laura from Laura's Art Corner, where I get all my glitters. And she's also my American distributor for Rez. And my discount code for her is all capital letters, Sherry Moulton 10. And with that, go check out her website. And I think, I didn't know if I mentioned, I have a link for Fundy Molds as well. And my PayPal link is there. So with that being said, if you have not yet subscribed, please do. And hit the thumbs up. And I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Waiting for Sunday's spectacular one. Woo! Bye.